Rising from the confluence of the Yangtze and Jiaoliang rivers, Chongqing is a city that defies expectations. Nicknamed the Mountain City, its buildings climb audaciously into the sky. The city's unique topography has fueled this upward expansion. Instead of fighting the terrain, Chongqing has embraced it. Skyscrapers sprout from mountainsides and bridges soar across valleys. Chongqing's vertical growth is a testament to human ingenuity. It has turned geographical constraints into architectural opportunities. The result is a mesmerizing urban tapestry set against ancient mountains. As you navigate the city's streets, you'll find yourself constantly gazing upwards. Chongqing's vertical growth isn't just about aesthetics. It's a practical solution. With a population exceeding 32 million, Chongqing needs space. This vertical urbanism has allowed the city to preserve its natural landscapes. Chongqing stands as a beacon of sustainable urban development. Chongqing is a city in constant motion, a dynamic fusion of the old and the new. Its vertical landscape is a living, breathing organism, constantly evolving. This is a city where the sky is truly the limit. Chongqing's skyline is a testament to architectural audacity, a collection of gravity-defying structures that seem to touch the clouds. The city is home to some of the world's tallest residential buildings, soaring hundreds of meters above the ground. One such marvel is the Raffles City Chongqing, a sprawling complex that has become an instant icon. Designed by the renowned architect Moshe Safdie, this megastructure features 8 interconnected towers crowned by a breathtaking sky bridge known as the Crystal. Another architectural gem is the Chongqing World Financial Center, a sleek skyscraper that pierces the sky with its elegant spire. Its reflective glass facade shimmers in the sunlight, creating a dazzling spectacle that dominates the city's skyline. The building houses a mix of offices, a hotel, and a high-end shopping mall, making it a vibrant hub of activity. But Chongqing's architectural wonders are not limited to skyscrapers. The city is also home to innovative structures like the Chongqing Grand Theatre, a futuristic building that resembles a giant ship sailing down the Yangtze River. Its unique design, inspired by the city's maritime heritage, has made it a popular cultural landmark. These architectural marvels are not just feats of engineering, they are symbols of Chongqing's ambition and its desire to push the boundaries of urban design. They represent the city's spirit of innovation and its unwavering belief in the power of architecture to transform the urban landscape. While not technically in Chongqing, Liuzhou Sky City, located in the neighboring Guangxi region, deserves a special mention. This ambitious project, though currently on hold, embodies the future of vertical cities. Designed to house over 30,000 residents, Liuzhou Sky City was conceived as a self-sufficient vertical city within a city. It aimed to incorporate offices, residential areas, schools, hospitals, and even parks within its soaring structure. The design of Liuzhou Sky City prioritized sustainability and environmental consciousness. Plans included renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, as well as advanced water recycling systems. The building's exterior was envisioned as a vertical forest adorned with plants and trees to improve air quality and create a more natural living environment. Although the project has faced setbacks, Liuzhou Sky City remains a powerful symbol of the potential of vertical urbanism. It serves as a reminder that cities of the future can be designed to be not only efficient and sustainable, but also beautiful and livable. While its future remains uncertain, Liuzhou Sky City continues to inspire architects and urban planners worldwide, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in vertical urban design.
The vision of Liuzhou Sky City, though unrealized, serves as a powerful reminder that the future of urban living can be both sustainable and awe-inspiring. It is a testament to the power of human imagination and our capacity to reimagine the way we live and interact with our cities.
To truly understand life in a vertical city, one must listen to the voices of its residents. What is it like to live and work hundreds of meters above the ground? Interviews with residents reveal a mix of perspectives, highlighting both the challenges and rewards of vertical living.
At first, it was a bit strange. I wasn't used to being so high up all the time, but now I love it. The views are incredible, and I feel like I'm living in the future.
I can find everything I need without even leaving my building. There's a supermarket, a clinic, even a small park on the roof. It's very convenient, especially for older people like me.
It can feel a bit isolating sometimes. You don't really get to know your neighbors in the same way you might in a more traditional neighborhood.
Despite the challenges, most residents agree that the benefits of living in a vertical city like Chongqing outweigh the drawbacks. The city's efficient public transportation system, its vibrant cultural scene and its breathtaking views make it an exciting and dynamic place to live. Ancient roots, modern towers, a city of contrasts. Chongqing is a city where ancient history and modern innovation collide. Amidst the towering skyscrapers, one can still find remnants of the city's rich past.
Ancient temples and traditional tea houses stand in stark contrast to the gleaming facades of modern buildings, creating a fascinating juxtaposition that defines Chongqing's unique character.
The city's historic Chekiku Old Town offers a glimpse into its past. Narrow cobblestone streets lined with traditional wooden houses transport visitors back in time.
Here, artisans still practice ancient crafts, and the air is filled with the aroma of street food and the sounds of traditional music. But even in the heart of the modern city, history is never far away.
The ancient Kaoshinmen Temple, perched on a hill overlooking the confluence of the Yangtze and Jialiang rivers, serves as a reminder of the city's long and storied past.
This unique blend of old and new gives Chongqing a special charm. It is a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future, a place where ancient traditions and modern innovations coexist in perfect harmony.
A panoramic view of Chongqing's skyline at night, showcasing its illuminated skyscrapers, bridges, and the Yangtze River flowing through the city. The future is Vertical Chongqing's inspiring model. As the world's population continues to grow and more people move to urban areas, cities around the globe are grappling with the challenges of urbanization.
Chongqing, with its innovative approach to vertical urbanism, offers a compelling model for the future of cities. By building upwards, Chongqing has been able to accommodate its growing population while minimizing its environmental impact.
The city's efficient public transportation system, its focus on green spaces, and its embrace of sustainable building practices make it a leader in sustainable urban development.
Chongqing's example demonstrates that high-density living can be both desirable and sustainable. It challenges the notion that cities must sprawl outwards, showing that it is possible to create vibrant and livable urban environments by building upwards.
The challenges of the 21st century demand innovative solutions, and Chongqing's vertical city model provides a blueprint for a more sustainable and efficient urban future. Chongqing's legacy shaping the skyline of tomorrow. Chongqing, the mountain city that has embraced verticality as its destiny, is poised to leave an indelible mark on the future of urban design. Its daring skyline, a testament to human ambition and ingenuity, serves as an inspiration to architects and city planners around the world. As we move towards an increasingly urbanized future, Chongqing's model of vertical urbanism offers a compelling vision for sustainable and efficient city living. And the city's legacy will be one of innovation, of pushing the boundaries of what's possible in urban design. Its influence can be seen in the rising skylines of cities across Asia and beyond as architects and planners embrace the potential of verticality to create more livable and sustainable urban environments. Chongqing's story is far from over. It is a city in constant flux, constantly evolving and reaching for new heights. As it continues to grow and transform, it will undoubtedly continue to inspire, challenging us to rethink the way we design and inhabit our cities. The future of urban living is vertical, and Chongqing is leading the way.